Hello. So our final project is regarding spam call recognition. So as we all know that with the growing adaptation of cell phones as our primary medium of communication, it has been the amount of spam calls that we deal with has been growing at an alarming rate. In fact, in one of the annual reports of the Stockholm-based firm Truecaller that we all know, there has been an 18% increase in the number of spam calls in 2019 across the globe over the previous year. So in this project, we tried to use some of the latest speech recognition technologies and the machine learning algorithms that we learned in our course to apply and to classify and try to classify if a call is a spam or not. So if you can see the below four photos, pictures, like it tells the process of our application is like we collect the call recordings from open sources on internet, and then we use Google Speech Recognition Tool API in our script to transcribe the data into text, and then we pre-process the text data, like convert the data into vectors and do the pre-processing, and then we go on apply the machine learning algorithms, some of which we have our own implementation, and the some of the rest are the sklearn implementation. And our final aim is to predict if a call recording is a spam or not. So in this project, we have considered around 1200 examples, 1200 audio recordings. Out of them, around 100 are actually spam calls. So we have kept the event rate not too high, so around 9 to 10%. So in this particular slide, I have given a brief or some of the graphs, out of the majority of the graphs that we have shown in our final report. So as we can see, that we have shown for three different kind of classifiers, the Gaussian knife-based classifiers that we have implemented on our own. And apart from there is a sklearn decision tree classifier and a sklearn support vector machine classifier as well. So as you can see that the overall trend is like if accuracy is one of the metric that the accuracy has been good, it has been the models are accurately predicting for more than 90%, like more than 94% for the decision tree classifier across the different training samples and testing the test sample size. And also if you can see from the AUC RUC values, even they are holding up pretty good across the different classifiers. So even like the sensitivity and the specificity of detection of the spam calls from the non-spam ones is pretty good. So we hope that you will go through the final project and gather the learnings that we have, and it will be fruitful. Thank you.